Be sure to check out my bio so you don't miss my other content. Hey guys! Sometimes the silence doesn't start with the sound off, but with the water on. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Also, check out the description below the video. There's something you'll like. The jets fall smoothly, as if time agrees to slow down for a second. In this rhythm, it is easy to let go of everything unnecessary. Thoughts, tension, hurry. The warm water outlines the boundaries of your body, reminding you where you are now. Movements become simple and honest, without purpose or evaluation. Just a sense of presence. This is not a pause from life, is a return to it. A short ritual of mindfulness, when you don't need to be productive and don't need to get anywhere in time. Stay in this moment a little longer. Feel your breath becoming deeper and your body becoming calmer. Take a breath and a long, soft exhale. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. By the way, I have another channel. Check it out. There's more great content there. Bye-bye.